Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 FS and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down a little bit and find this ringtone and alert sounds and tap on ringtone at the top. So here we've got the albums from which we can choose the ringtone from. We've got classic and nature. Moreover, here we've got the option on this device, and we can enter our own files. If we've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear right here, and if it is compatible, you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. Let me choose something from the nature, maybe. And here we've got the list of pre-installed ringtones. All you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. So, for example, blanket of snow. Now you can listen to it and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I wish to set maybe this Rainforest as my ringtone. So all I have to do is to mark it and then tap on come back. Simply go back. And after getting back to this sound and vibration section, you can see that the Rainforest is notified right here, and it means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.